Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use unlimited data on Airtel 4G. Understanding your plan's specifics is key to maximizing its value and avoiding any surprises. Airtel offers various packs that come with an unlimited tag, which typically means high-speed data up to a certain capacity. After that, your data continues at a reduced, but still usable, speed, ensuring you are always connected without extra charges. Most unlimited data plans come with a fair usage policy, or FUP, which is important to understand. For instance, a plan might offer 60 gigabytes of high-speed data each month. Once you consume those 60 gigabytes, your internet speed will then automatically slow down to 64 kilobits per second. You can still browse and send messages, but heavy activities like video streaming will be much slower. To make the most of your high-speed data, always monitor your usage through the Airtel Thanks app. Whenever possible, connect to a secure Wi-Fi network for data-intensive tasks like downloading large files or streaming in high definition. You can also adjust your video streaming quality settings to a lower resolution, saving your premium data for when you truly need it. This helps extend your fast internet experience throughout the entire month. If you encounter unexpected slow speeds, a simple device restart can often resolve minor network glitches. Always check your current plan details and remaining data on the Airtel Thanks app to stay informed about your benefits. For more persistent issues or specific inquiries about your plan, reaching out to Airtel customer support is always recommended. They can provide personalized assistance and help you effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.